I want to come up with better treatments for diseases and health conditions.
Engineering leader.
Vaccine development.
Enhancing health outcomes.
Improving water quality.
I get hands-on learning in labs, classes, and student-run clubs.
Work with world-class and award-winning faculty.
Food engineering.
Better cancer treatments.
Tissue engineering.
Wearable bioelectronics.
Sustainability science.
Cell mechanics.
There's industry-changing research going on now in Mizzou's biomedical, biological, and chemical engineering.
Collaboration across campus.
ABET accredited.
Get hired at companies and organizations like Boston Scientific,
St. Jude's,
National Institutes of Health,
Dow,
Nestle,
Johnson & Johnson.
Be prepared to take on the engineering problems of tomorrow, today.
Learn how you can discover new treatments to help people and formulas to improve daily life at engineering.missouri.edu/CHBME.